Y'all, the air's getting a little colder, and you know what that means? French toast. At least for me. I like French toast a little bit better, well, really a lot better than pancakes. So today we're doing a stuffed French toast recipe that you'll want to make for you and your family. Y'all, stay tuned. That's some good groceries. All right, y'all, let's get started with this stuffed French toast. Get you 2 bowls, one a little bit deeper than the other, and one that's a little more shallow. We're gonna add 1 block of softened cream cheese, and to that we're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of, this is strawberry preserves, but you're welcome to use whatever you like. A nice tart cherry would go well also. And last, we're gonna add a little dash of almond extract. After you get all your ingredients in the bowl, now we're gonna stir this up. I didn't soften my cream cheese quite as well, but a little bit of elbow grease later, we have a nice mixture such as this right here. We got our filling ready. Now let's get our egg mixture going. We're gonna start by adding 4 large eggs to a bowl. I'm gonna use about 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna use about 1 tablespoon of this Uncle Steve's. It's a sweet dessert shake. It's got your sugars, got your cinnamon, it's got honey powder, got all kinds of good stuff in it, just like me. And then last, a little pinch of salt. This just helps round everything out. I think it needs a little bit of salt. So our bread of choice here is a vanilla brioche loaf. I thought this would go really, really well with this stuffed French toast. I'm gonna lop off the edges just to square everything off really well. I'll do that on both sides. Makes a nice snack. Okay, that's good. Now, I would say maybe about 2 fingers. That's about maybe 2 inches or so. So we're gonna come in here. This is gonna be nice and thick. You wanna make sure it's nice and thick because we have to put our filling in. We can bring your other slice around just as a good guide. We have our bread sliced, got it nice and thick. Now we gotta make a pocket so we can stuff this dude. So I'm just gonna bring my knife in and just make a nice deep slit. We're just gonna kind of open that up, and then we're gonna take this filling. Now, if you want it, if you got a piping bag, you want to do that. You know, you're welcome to do that too. But this right here works well. We're gonna stuff the rest of these, y'all. In the meantime, pre-warm your griddle because you want to get that ready to get these stuffed French toasts on. Okay. All right, now that we have our pieces of bread stuffed, let's head on over to the griddle. Let's get to cooking. Let's get some butter onto our griddle. I have the griddle on low right now. Egg mixture, bread. Dunk that in there. If you wanted to leave it in there a good while, a lot of people do that. Perfectly fine. And right there. Boy, this egg bath, this mixture, it's gonna be a slam dunk. We're gonna get the rest of our bread into this mixture onto the griddle, and we're gonna cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. All right, focus your attention right here, y'all, because I'm gonna do a little garnish here. And these are just sliced almonds, and I just thought we would toast some of these up to go right on top of our French toast when they're done. You can add these, you don't have to toast them, but I thought a nice little toast might be just perfect for it. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna flip these over onto the next side. And again, I'm putting it on the edge actually, just to cook it because that custard needs to be cooked as well. But man, look at that color. That egg's cooking nicely. While you're at it, give your almonds a toss just to keep them working. You can kind of see they're toasting up real nicely. All right, our almonds are nice and toasted. We're gonna get those off of the griddle. And man, toasty. Oh man, that adds so much flavor. You can even put a little bit of sugar on here, a little brown sugar. You don't get them sweet, but it's not needed here. Now it's time to get our French toast off. They are done. Oh man, look at these pretty boys. Pretty like me. Let's head on over to the cutting board. Let's give them a try. Y'all, would you take a look at that? That is a thing of beauty, but we are not done, my friends. A little bit of maple syrup. We bougie today, y'all. Even, this is real stuff. Now we're gonna take these toasted almonds. Make sure everybody gets a little bit of a piece. Guys, I hate to do it, but we got to. We got to try these groceries, all right? We'll come right here, this end one. Ooh, you hear that? Got a little crunch to it, which I like. Make sure we get one of them almonds. That's a big old piece. I think I can handle it. Y'all, that is great. That is something. That cream cheese, strawberry preserve mixture just really cuts through the sweetness of the bread, sugars and all that kind of good stuff. Dang it, boy. I highly suggest you make this for your next breakfast. Hey, I appreciate you watching. I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.